Hey guys, welcome back to the FYN channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. This is a brand new week, and if you are new here, you are welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are not new here, you're also welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Come and do that now before you keep on watching this video.
Ain't nobody but
you already know it's down there. It's the JUVIA'S Place face, or you can call it foundation, concealer and powder. I'm going to be testing today. This video will be my first time trying out JUVIA'S Place ever. I know this product has been out for more than 3-4 years now, and you guys know that I love to try new products, especially when it comes to concealer. So I am going to review this product as a consumer, as a small influencer and a YouTuber, as a product reviewer. However, I do have some concerns about this brand. I feel their customer service is really poor, and their shipping and order is really ridiculous and long. I purchased these items on the 1st of June 2019. After 20 days, I received my package. If I have to keep on constantly emailing them that it's been a week, it's been 2 weeks, I haven't seen my shipping details yet. What is going on? This is outrageous. I was this close to cancel the order, to call my paper and want my money back, because I can't wait for a month to get my product. Like, what is going on? I pay for shipping, pay for everything. So when my package arrived, it came in this box right here, very little box. I purchased 5 items in total. I purchased a foundation, and I purchased 2 concealer, 1 for contour and 1 for highlight. And I purchased 2 beautiful lovely powders, and I can't wait to put it on my face. First is the foundation. I really like the packaging in it. Comes in a tube, really handy. The initial foundation shade I bought was Gabon, and along the way I felt like Gabon would be too light for me. I don't know, I think I might be having a early regret, so I decided to tell them to change it to Malawi. I don't know, I feel like Malawi is gonna be too dark for me now. This brand is like, you can't even tell what shade you are because it's actually all over the place. It's difficult for you to know your shade through picture, through like online swatching. First, I'm going to be swatching the foundation, and this is called Malawi. It is said to be for dark skin with golden undertone. I do have a golden undertone. This is Malawi. I can see the golden in there, but I feel like it's really dark for my skin. I don't know. Work it out with my concealer, but process of me going through that with this brand is just giving me a headache. So this foundation is set to be full coverage. Fuck's sake. So I also bought 2 concealer. One is in shade 7, which is like a contour shade, and the other one is in 12, which is like my highlight shade. Out of all what I bought, these 2 concealer is my favorite so far. This is 7, which is the probably dark shade for contour. This is says to be for dark skin with warm undertones, and the 12, which is this light concealer shade, this is for dark skin with cool golden undertone, and that is Malawi foundation. So as you can see that this really shade complement each other, and I really love it. This is like a matte finish foundation, and I don't know about the concealer if they're also matte finish, but we will see. And for the setting powders, I bought 2 shades, and one is called Gobi and the other one is called Sahara. Sahara I think is the second light shade, and Gobi is the third light shade. And I bought 2 just because I feel this is going to be good for my under eye, and this will be good for setting all over the face. So they did come out with 42 different foundation shades. So their foundation range, which is number 1, is the darkest, and the lightest is a larger number, which could be like 500 or something. Also, with the concealer, they did come up with 24 shades, and it's a comp set. The darker shades are the first and the lighter shades are the last. And the setting powders, they did come up with 5 different shades as well. I'm gonna be priming my face with the YSL 2 Shade Blot Primer. I haven't used this in a long while. It's like a silicone based primer, and I love the smoothness it gives for my foundation look. It does not make me too dry. And for my foundation, I'm going to be using the only foundation I have here, shade called Malawi. And I heard that a little bit goes a long way. And I am a full coverage girl, so I will see what I can do. I'm so upset. This is too dark. Too dark. You can see that. As you can see, I love the coverage, don't get me wrong, but it's just too dark. Oh my god, that coverage though. I don't know if I should contour because this shade acts like a contour. I'm already applying this shade. It's already drying down. I'm not gonna be too much on my neck. See? Oh my god, that is a lot. That is me. I said something's too dark and I am literally packing it on my skin. That's a lot. And it's a little, I think it's really that thick. From the camera, it might look as if it's matte shade. Clearly not. It's not matte shade. Oh my god, I look like Oompa Loompa. Honestly speaking, I love the coverage. It actually covers my hyperpigmentation, don't get me wrong. Oh my god. You see, there's so much confusion online, so much people with different skin with the camera trying these and feels like, oh, you could be this shade, you could be that shade. I'm gonna try and correct this with my concealer. I wanted to do something nice for this video, maybe a nice look or whatever, but with disappointment on my foundation, I'm just gonna end it up with when I bake my face. Like, I can't be bothered, I'm gonna be using concealer in shade 12 to see if I can, cancel out this bloody nightmare. This is a really massive concealer, really huge. Contour, I'm gonna use the shade 7 to contour. You can still see the contour on top of this shade, definitely. Probably should have bought 2 foundation. So I'm gonna blend out the contour first and come back to the concealer. I feel like you can't really see when I've blended out the contour in this foundation because they literally just disappeared, But I don't think I have problem with the contour. I like the formula of the contour. It's actually not making my face too dry right now. So I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. Chin first. Into the coverage there. This is giving me all different type of vibes. This is our blended look. I am going to go ahead to bake the face now. I'm using the shade called Sahara first. It's a really nice shade for under eye, like a beige. I love the powder. It's really pigmented. Not a very harsh smell, no perfume to the powder. Really lovely. And for the other powder to set the rest of my face is called Gobi. Honestly, it's a really brown, not really brown, like a nutmeg kind of shade. Not bad too. So guys, I am gonna go ahead to finish the rest of my face. We'll be back to tell you my thoughts, my review, and what I think about this product. I'll be right back. Ooh, this is the finished look. This is the finished skin. I'm licking my skin. I would say I really like the consistent and the formula of the foundation, the powder, and the concealer. It's really nice. That goes together, a very nice combination. I like that. The reason I am not feeling myself as I would like to is because of the shade of the foundation I picked. Even with the shade comparison, I think Gabo was supposed to be 400 in the Fenty shade, and I am 410, which is probably in their shade will be 240. 240 will be too pale for me. That's why I skip it. After 240 we got Malawi, and I felt Malawi will be really nice on me. I know I do have different skin color, pigmentation, light brown shades, you know, but I like to match my foundation to the middle of my chest right here, because the rest is just out of the picture. But with this shade, I don't know, it just feels so off. I don't know, you can't tell right now because I did try to, like, you know, work with it with the concealer, with the powder and everything, and I still feel like it's too dark for me. Anyway, I'm really gonna try the powder and the concealer again. I didn't really make use of the powder in this video, just I was in the mood. And my upcoming videos, I am gonna be doing a comparison with this powder versus another brand, and also I'm gonna be listing my top 5 full coverage concealer to use for dark skin. I think I've done a video like that and I really love the result from that video, so I'm gonna do that again. And yeah guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm gonna say yes, for me the product really works well. It's super full coverage. This is not full coverage, this is super full coverage foundation, and it's a must have. Formula, super full coverage concealer as well, must have. And the powder, I just feel like it's in like a normal powder, so the powder underneath the eye. I like the fact it does not have any perfume or scent to it, so it's really good. Yes guys, and I'll be seeing you on my upcoming videos, so please don't forget to like this video, leave your comment below on your thought. What do you think about this shade I'm wearing now? Do you think I should keep it? I should, you know, do you think I should give it a try again? I don't know, but you leave your comment below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so before you go. Take care of yourself guys, and be nice to others. If you don't love yourself, who will? Bye and peace out.